caste, the caste they come from. So we see that women coming from a Brahmin and women from a Dalit caste, they can work together, they can be in the group together, they can eat together, and they even now create businesses together. And I think that's a very interesting impact, that suddenly the program supports the women to be together across systems that before maybe made that they were not eating or being together. We also see on a family level, we see how the husbands' attitudes change. It's many of the husbands in the beginning, they are a little worried, what is this, what is going to happen, what is it to have a wife running a business. But then over time, because we also work with the whole family and the relation in the families, I think that's why we see many of the husbands change attitude. And actually, if you visit the shops, you will see many of the husbands helping in the shops now. So that is also a change, and I think that's very important change, because then suddenly it also becomes a family issue to run a small business.
Learning and earning go simultaneously in WAGAS, which boost women economic situations. Besides this, long-term ongoing training and meeting supports positive changes in the behavior and attitude of the group. The group was empowered through the training. Thus, WAGAS has its own uniqueness to improve livelihood, such as many women developing a sustainable business, grocery establishment of the grocery, dog raising, goat raising, buffalo raising, beauty parlor, different varieties of the shops they develop, and good income and influencing the local community. We are solid on the standard but flexible on the rules, as we are solid on the destination but flexible on the journey.
I plan on having a cow farm and becoming a proper farmer in the future. WAGAS is certainly no magic wand whose mere touch is enough to solve problems. It is but a vehicle, a medium that provides an opportunity for a better tomorrow. It shows the path to a destination that is full of hope. But for change to happen, for lives to improve, hard work, patience, honesty to the cause, belief and desire is required from all stakeholders. Only then can WAGAS be successful as a true friend of women and children.